Evening, people. There's another one of those beer and snack reviews for summer 2025. Today we've got something nice, really nice in my opinion. This isn't a lager that's been brewed in this country. This was brewed in Spain. You've probably seen it. Many people reviewed this. This is San Miguel. But it's not the crap they sell in this country. This was actually made in Spain. Got a silver top. It's got a gold rim around the side, which has a load of stuff in Spanish, I think. Can you understand that? El mundo con una. If you can understand that, please translate. There's a gold rim around the side. This is ice cold, as you could probably see. Yes, I picked this up for bought 4 cans for £5.50, which works out as £1.30, £1.35 a can, which ain't bad. On the side of the can, it's 50 centilitres. This one is 5.4% volume compared to the English ship, which is 5%. Also, as on the side, if you can read that, Tradición Cervecera de... I can't see that bloody phone's not... Desde 1890, which is good. As you can tell, it's got a multitude of languages you can learn. Has it got English, though? Oh, yeah, EN, beer. Water, barley malt, maize, hops. Best before date's the end of can. This was brewed... Hang on. Might have the other end. Yep, there you go. Cerveza San Miguel. And it gives an address in... Is that Malaga, which is Spain? Yeah, it's got a San Miguel Spanish phone number. I wouldn't try phoning out. It would probably cost you a bomb. It is 5.4%, as I said. Ice cold. This is much... Oh, it's got... So what's that on the side? BCN 2437 AC Copa America 37 Copa Barcelona. I haven't got a clue what that means, but if you do, let us know in the comment box. Okay. Oh, by the way, later we'll be trying the Monster Munch roast beef flavour. All right, let's get back to San Miguel, the proper stuff. Got my glass. Now, to be honest, they can get away with selling this. Come on, you bastard. If they can get away with selling this, the proper stuff in off licenses, then why don't they sell the proper Madri, proper, I don't know, any other lager that... Look at that. Now that's got a rather nice golden colour smell. Not smell, taste. Flavour. Look, you know what I mean. Just comes out the can like that. Oh, look at that stuff. If you're watching this on your telly, look at that beer. Beer fills your television screen. Yeah, rock on. It's got a lovely golden yellow colour. A bit of carbonation, as you can see. It's got a... Because I pulled it out wrong. Well, never mind about the head. Anyway, this is San Miguel, the proper stuff. They should sell this everywhere. Only a few places sell it, well, so I don't know. Okay, it's going down, so it's about to go down my throat. Let's have a butcher's. First thing you notice, it's a bit drier than English Brewed stuff. Tastes nice. It definitely is a different taste to it. It's lovely. Time marches on. This is going to be an 8-minute 40 video. I've got around 3 minutes and 20 seconds left. So that was San Miguel. Very, very nice stuff. Brewed in Spain by a proper company, not under some bollocks license to Heineken, Carling, or Coors, whatever bollocks country. I really don't know why they don't sell the popular stuff in more places. If few places can get away with it, why not others? And it's cheap. Probably just about the same price as 4-pint cans of English crap. A nice golden colour. Head. Okay, we've had that. Let's move on to these Monster Munch. Now, if you're as old as me, then you probably remember these from years and years ago. They first came out in the 1970s, late 1970s. On the back, it's got a spiel, miniature monsters, baked nut fries, food fighters, more walkers to me. Gives a load of spiel about other stuff they come out with. What's in Monster Munch now? I remember these from the 70s and they were really nice. Take the notes of that. Half that's probably caramel. I don't know how to look at that. Maize rapeseed oil, roast beef seasoning. Well, this has got some garlic powder and onion powder in it and spices, which does make a difference. What's in Monster Munch? Hey. These first came out in 1977, I think. Remember the old adverts with the big monsters? Now, that's a hunk. That's a claw, supposedly. Let's have the butchers. Inside the bag, love this stuff. Actually still tastes the way I reckon they did back in the day. Very, very nice indeed. Let's wash down with some San Miguel. Oh, that's nice. All right. San Miguel. It's a 5.4% stuff. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. Lovely stuff. The way lager should be drunk. But that's 10 out of 10. On the Walker's Monster Munch, I'll say 9 out of 10. Oh, it's the pucker stuff there. I'll see you soon with another one. Enjoy if you do go out and get these. Bye.